Guys, something just happened, and I don't think I was supposed to discover it like this. I've been trying to find a way to make my DIY cars faster while using the same cheap receiver I already have. So I tried using two batteries connected in parallel, but honestly, nothing really changed. Then I had the thoughts, what if I connect them in series? And the moment I did that, the motor went from this to this. At that moment, I was like, okay, nah, what did I just do? I was kind of curious about what this new power was. So I checked online and apparently it's called 2S. So now all that's left is to build the car with this new found power of mine. Ha ha ha. Let's do it. I've said this is a different method for the steering system where instead of using this, I'll try using the original tires from one of my RC cars, and I'm also bringing the back tires from this to this, so it has more ground clearance and so it can actually get more spins in them. I think that would increase the speed, so I have to get these batteries charged while I'm building. Right, so it's now locked in one spot. Then adding the motor won't be too much of a problem anymore. Time to test if it works. I decided the battery will be a little bit closer to the motors, so it would help increase traction and reduce tire spin. And so far, I think it's not really helping. Let's take it out in 3, 2. Hold up, I think these tires will be better. Guys, this is too sleepy. It doesn't have any traction at all. So I'm going to switch it to this one. Although this one is kind of heavier than this one, but it's going to help with traction a lot. So yeah, let's switch it. Oh shit. It almost fell down. Okay, we can now take it outside in 3, 2. I've been having a few issues with the receiver I've been using, but I just decided to use it one more time for this project. And it turns out it was way more tedious than I expected it to be because it was off and on. The only option I have left is to take out the receiver from my other RC car. I decided to change this motherboard with this one here because I don't know what is actually giving it problems, if it's from the remote not having battery or from somewhere else, but I want to take chances, so I'm just going to swap this out with the one I have there. And hopefully it works out the way I expect it to work. So I took it out and I placed it in the car and it was all good. It's time to actually see if my hard work and the past 3 days have been worth it. I mean, if you're seeing this video, then I believe all went well. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. testing this out for the past 1 hour and it's crazy. Like it's literally crazy. And honestly, this is what I enjoyed the most. Not having everything figured out, but trying anyway. Because most of the things I've used in this channel, I didn't fully understand at the start. I just had an idea and I went for it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it fails, but every single time I learn something new. So if you're watching this and you're thinking of building something, just start. Even if you don't have the best tools, even if you don't fully understand it yet, because that's exactly how this started. And who knows, your own tourist moments might be the thing that changes everything. Don't forget to like, share, and yeah, thanks for watching.